Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Clamper Camper. We are just hanging out at home watching my new favorite Netflix obsession called Border Town. But we got a little hungry, so we decided to take a break and we are going to try out 3 new snacks. Now, if you're gluten-free, sorry, but I don't relate. But I apparently buy gluten-free snacks a lot. So I have 3 here that we're gonna try. We have these Jan's Bua dried jackfruit bites, these Sea Point Farms dry roasted wasabi edamame, and then these Hippea's organic chickpea puffs in Bohemian barbecue flavor. Now, these on the bag say that they are non-GMO, organic, kosher, vegan, gluten-free, plant-based, no nuts, and a good source of fiber. These just say non-GMO and certified gluten-free, but the only ingredients are jackfruit and canola oil, so I'm pretty sure they're vegan too. Then, these are gluten-free and heart-healthy and non-GMO. And again, I'm not sure how they are not vegan. I don't know. I guess you probably don't have to put that on a package now that I'm thinking about this. But who knows? Now, one interesting fact is, I literally just realized this. These are made in China, which is fine if they taste good. Let's see where these are from. These are from Vietnam. Yeah, why would an American eat food from America? Let's see where these are from. Hopefully America. Well, it says produced for Hippea's and it gives a New York address, but it doesn't say like made in. It says produced for. So we're gonna go out on a limb and say produced for means made in. So who knows, maybe I am eating something from America. Maybe I'll have to Google that later. Why it says produced for instead of made in. Well, this is right in front of me, so let's try these first. Ooh. They've got kind of a funky after smell. Okay. They're crunchy. Like the texture of a puffy Cheeto. Zena don't want it. They have like hardly any barbecue flavor at all. Almost non-existent. But they don't taste bad. They smell weird. They taste good. I've had other chickpea puffs from the same brand, and I don't know what it is about the chickpea, but it's almost like sweet. Like to me, those taste sweet, but not in like a honey barbecue kind of sweet way. Like a aftertaste sweet. Kind of hard to explain. Let's go from sweet to spicy. I love edamame. I like the Sea Point. They have just like a normal salt roasted flavor. Zena likes edamame too, but I don't want to give her this one because it's got wasabi in it. Oh! Holy cow. That is like intense. I've had other stuff that tastes like wasabi that like that's like literally like, I don't know. I've never had real wasabi. I've just had things that taste like wasabi. I mean, it gives you exactly what it says. It gives you wasabi flavored edamame. Oh my gosh, that is intense though. I don't know if I like them. But I mean, you see me wanting to eat more, right? Is that just because I'm addicted to eating food? Who knows? Maybe it's because I ate like 20 at a time. Ooh, now my lips are spicy. I don't think I like them. I don't know. Do you guys hate that? Do you ever have a food? Like, I have this Snack Club tahini stuff, and it literally, like, hurts your face, but you want to keep eating it? I don't know what they put in this stuff, but... See, now, like, that didn't taste very spicy to me. Like, at all. I think some of them have a lot more wasabi powder on them than others. Like that one had a lot, and I don't like it. The ones that don't have a lot of wasabi are good, and you can taste the edamame, but some of them are just like totally covered, and I don't know. I really don't like to say I don't like something because I don't frequently not like food, but I mean, I guess I'll say it this way. Will I ever buy this again? Probably not. Now, if you like wasabi, like my best friend, he would probably love this because he likes wasabi, but like I said, I've never had real wasabi. I've only had things that claim to taste like wasabi. Now these I'm very excited about. I got these at Home Goods. Now this was pretty expensive. $5.49 for 7.05 ounces. And I think I've said it before, I wish that all of these things were like resealable. Like this. Resealable. And this is literally like, literally feels like pleather. This plastic is like super soft touch, but it just feels thick. I really don't want to get up. Zena, I don't want to get up. Holy guacamole. Oh. Maybe this will save my legs from having to stand up. Ooh! If you ever don't want to stand up to open your snack, get a charging block and poke some holes in it. Oh, that was just lovely. Ooh, this stuff just smells funky. Oh my gosh, these are strange. Now I think that they must be like actually fried because the only ingredient is jackfruit and canola oil. Which I've had jackfruit before, but I've had it like from a can and I like turned it into like a savory meal. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I'm so glad. I really hoped that one of these was like, knock my socks off. It's like freeze-dried. Or, I don't know if it is, but it has a texture of freeze-dried candy. It doesn't tell you how it's cooked. These are so good. You want a piece? Zena loves sugar as much as I do. By far the best thing we tried. Like, 10 out of 10. A million times better than both of those. I mean, would buy again, over and over and over. give you my money. I'd want like a bag like 3 times this size that's resealable, and I'd probably eat it all at once. This, I never want to buy again. Hopefully I will meet someone who likes this flavor, because I'm not a fan of the whole like dry wasabi-y, spicy, just wasabi powder on dry edamame skin. I don't know. It's weird. And these are okay. Will I buy them again? I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't say no, I'll never buy it again. Zeno liked that little jackfruit thing. Did you eat it or did it fall? I think she ate it. I hope she ate it. But yeah, so this is like, I don't know, like, it's hard for me to be mean to food. Okay, well now she's looking down into the couch like she dropped it. Oh, you did drop it. Come here. Is that delicious? So, I cannot give something a 0 out of 10. I just can't do it because somebody out there is going to like food. These are just my taste buds. But for me personally, this is like a 1 out of 10. This is like a 5 million out of 10. And this is like a 5 or a 6 out of 10. I don't know. I've never done that before. I mean, these are amazing. These are okay. These are not my cup of tea. But I was hungry. I wanted to try a bunch of snacks. So, yeah. Now we're going to get back to Border Town. If you like... What was that for? Were you barking? Do you want to bow? Do you want to bow? Are you crazy? Oh, I love you too. Yes, I do. I love you so much. Are you being irritable? Do you want another one of these? Is that why you were barking at me? Do you want this? Well, if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Definitely check these out. Check these out if you want to. And if you know someone who likes wasabi, or you want to, oh my gosh, you need to buy these and like put them in a bowl and ask your parents to try them just to see their face. Oh my gosh, I'm just imagining giving these to my dad and my stepmom and my mom. Oh my gosh, that'd be hilarious. But yeah, get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.